I'm going to explain celeration and give a classroom example on what it looks like and how it's used. Look at this chart. Each blue line is a day. Each thick line is a Sunday. So the first dot is on a Monday. One dot represents frequency or count per time. Here, the Monday dot is at 20 per minute. When we make a line across all the dots on the standard celeration chart, we get celeration. Celeration comes from the root word of acceleration and deceleration. It is the change in frequency over time. So the change in those dots over time. It quantifies or gives us a number for the speed of change across time. That is a learning rate. We can measure the angle or slope of that line to get the number that tells us the learning rate or speed of learning. Here, 1.2 or times 1.2 means that the behavior grew 20% from the first data point. This number is important because it lets us know how quickly someone is learning. If they are learning too slow, then we know it's going to take them a long time to get to our goal, which means we need to change how we're teaching. In fact, after about 7 days of data, we can project a line to see how long it will take for a learner to get to the goal. That A over there is called an aim star, or it's the goal for the learner. And right now it's about at 40 per minute. And we can see it will take them 3 more weeks to get to that goal. We can also see that that line or acceleration is a times 2 per week, meaning that it is doubling or increasing 100% each week. At the beginning of the week, they started at 5 per minute. At the end of the week, they ended at 10 per minute. Times 2 is what they got, and it is the gold standard for many people who use this measurement system. If you want your learner to read more words per minute or do more arithmetic problems per minute, and they have a times 2 acceleration, you have good instructional methods. You typically cannot get this information from a regular line graph. You need a standard acceleration chart. But since it's standardized and they're all the same, once you've seen one, you've seen them all. Precision teachers or people who use the standard acceleration chart make instructional decisions based on the data they put on this chart. And since they measure the data daily, this method of progress monitoring gives them the best moment-to-moment and precise information of any measurement system. We can calculate the speed of learning and a whole bunch of other stuff that inform us what the learner's performance is telling us across time. Research has shown that just 30 minutes a day, every day of precision teaching can move your child into the 95th percentile in reading and 86th percentile in math, which is near the highest levels of performers. And that's just 2 academic examples.